Before you start this process, make sure that you have visited with your advisor and have your desired list of classes ready to build your schedule. Start by logging into MyBGSU. Once logged in, scroll to the bottom and click on Schedule Builder. Once the page loads, click on the term at the top of the page and select the desired term that you are looking for classes. Under the Add Classes button, press the Edit button. Under Campus, select the campus that you are desiring to take classes at. Main campus is in-person classes held at BGSU. Firelands is in-person classes held at the Firelands campus. Distance learning is online classes. eCampus is not online classes and cannot be used. Students who are on eCampus are registered separately. Under the Subject button, click the desired course. Under Catalog Number, click the number of the course that you are looking to take. Click Add. If you are looking for a desired BGP, you can click the course attribute and select BGP and then press the attribute value to select what type of BGP you are looking for. Then select Subject and Course Number. Press Add. Repeat this process until you have all of your classes. Once all of your classes are selected, click Build.